Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. My son is constantly wanting to see what I'm doing in the kitchen, and he's also learning his vegetables and fruits right now. We got this CARLORBO wooden cuttable toy fruit and vegetable set, and he loves it so much. He hasn't totally figured out the cutting yet, but he loves pulling them apart and putting them back together. It's also great practice for learning his vegetables and his fruits and colors, and he's counting. Another thing I really love about it is that it's non-toxic and there's no odor, and it's really durable. He chews on these things all the time, and I don't have to worry that he's getting something yucky in his mouth and that he's gonna get sick. And it also lasts really well. There's no scratches or anything on them. If you have a toddler that's learning colors, fruits, vegetables, or even dexterity, this is perfect and I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.